Siemens NX integrates with JETCAM's CrossTrack composite manufacturing suite to provide a complete automation path, from design to production. This includes applying cutting technology to your plies, creating assemblies, and nesting them through JETCAM's ultra-performance nesting engine. Nests can then be scheduled, material automatically allocated, with the resulting plies and kits having full traceability of every process, along with material life. Let's take a look at the process. Our journey starts in Siemens NX. Here we have a composite part, which comprises of 22 plies. Siemens NX already has all the additional information that CrossTrack needs to perform CAD import and nesting of the plies, such as the material, thickness, and rotations allowed. The 3D composite part can be flattened to its individual 2D ply elements with a single click. FiberSim supports direct export to JETCAM Expert, which will generate all of the DXF files, along with additional PPI nesting data. We're now ready to switch to CrossTrack, to tool and nest our plies. First, we select our DXF files, and we're immediately ready to send them for CAD import. CrossTrack uses JETCAM Expert's remote control processing to create each component file, which can be tooled for one or more CNC cutters. Any imperfections with the DXF files can be automatically fixed using JETCAM's powerful DXF filter process. CAD import can take seconds or less per ply, so in under a minute, all of our plies are ready for nesting. CrossTrack has also created an assembly, with all of the plies automatically associated with it. We'll approve it for production and then move to the orders screen. Kits can be ordered, either by dragging and dropping onto the grid, or automatically ordered via your ERP system. Next, you can choose to create either a static nest, or a just-in-time nest, where material is allocated in real time, based on its expiry date or other rules you define. Your plies are then sent to JETCAM Expert for nesting. Our ultra-performance nester uses a time-based algorithm, quickly generating highly optimized nests and extremely efficient NC code. In addition to this, CrossTrack has allocated the nest to be cut against the most appropriate roll of material. The nest is stored within the nest database, and has also been scheduled for cutting on the shop floor. A kit has also been created, which will track every material, movement, and operation allocated to it across the course of its lifetime. As nests are cut, the status is instantly available to all users, with material life being added or updated as new materials are cut. Finally, the CrossTrack traceability report gives you the full history of every ply and raw material, giving your customers confidence in your manufacturing processes. So, in under 2 minutes, we've gone from the 3D part, designed within Siemens NX, to creating tooled assemblies, which can then be nested, cut and tracked as they move around your facility. For a demonstration of CrossTrack, visit jetcam.com and arrange for an online demo today.